Bite into a ripe peach and taste the sunshine. Smell the fresh aroma of steamed broccoli. Hear the crunch of a crisp apple. Healthy eating isn't just about fueling your body. It's an experience that engages all your senses. It's a lifestyle choice that can boost your energy, improve your mood, and significantly reduce the risk of countless diseases. Now, envision starting the day with a vibrant, nutrient-packed breakfast. For this, whip up a delicious bowl of oatmeal, teeming with fiber and loaded with essential nutrients. Start by boiling a cup of water or milk, then stir in half a cup of oats. Reduce the heat and let it simmer, stirring occasionally until the oats are your desired consistency. Top it off with a handful of blueberries for antioxidants, a sprinkle of chia seeds for omega-3s, and a drizzle of honey for a touch of natural sweetness. Transitioning to lunch, imagine a colorful, crispy salad that's as tasty as it is healthy. Begin by chopping an array of vegetables. Think bell peppers, cucumbers, and tomatoes. Toss them into a bowl with a generous handful of leafy greens like spinach or romaine. Add a serving of lean protein, like grilled chicken or tofu, and a sprinkling of nuts or seeds for healthy fats. Dress it lightly with olive oil and lemon juice, seasoning with herbs and spices to your liking. Lastly, picture a hearty, nourishing dinner that leaves you satisfied but not overstuffed. A grilled salmon fillet, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, is a superb choice. Accompany it with a side of quinoa, a complete protein packed with all 9 essential amino acids and a medley of steamed vegetables. Season it all with herbs and spices, and drizzle with a touch of olive oil for added flavor and healthy fats. To recap, the day begins with a bowl of oatmeal, bursting with fiber and topped with antioxidant-rich blueberries and omega-3 packed chia seeds. Lunch is a vibrant, crisp salad loaded with a variety of vegetables and lean protein, dressed in heart-healthy olive oil. Dinner is a nutritious duo of omega-3 rich grilled salmon and protein-packed quinoa, complemented by a selection of steamed vegetables. Each meal is designed to provide a balance of nutrients, ensuring your body gets what it needs to function at its best. They are not just meals, but an investment in your health, a testament to the power of food as medicine. Remember, healthy eating is not about strict diet limitations or depriving yourself of the foods you love. Rather, it's about feeling great, having more energy, and stabilizing your mood. So, make the choice to nourish your body and mind one meal at a time.